Chapter 1. The Wake-Up Call. She sat in her car long after the parking lot had emptied. The air was thick with silence, broken only by the slow hum of the dashboard fan. The sun has dipped below the skyline, washing the office window in a golden glow. Window she would not be looking out of tomorrow, or ever again. Jasmine had worked at that insurance firm for over 13 years. She knew every policy by heart, every form, every client name. She was the go-to person, the one other can lean on. But earlier that day, her manager called her into a small meeting room. No small talk, no build-up, just 5 words that shattered everything. We are switching to automation software. No warning, no chance to adopt, just replace. A program now did in 10 minutes what she used to spend her whole morning doing. The irony, she had trained that software, helped, tested it, smiled politely during the meeting when the developer showed off its glowing intelligence. Back then, it felt like a useful tool, something to help her work faster. But now, it was the worker. She started at the building she had worked into nearly every day for over a decade, and for the first time she realized something chilling. Her job had not been her safety net, it had been a trap, a place that quietly stopped evolving while the world outside raced ahead. Jasmine's story is not rare, maybe it's yours, or maybe it's coming. Cashier, bank teller, travel agent, even some doctors' career that once seemed rock solid are now bending under the weight of a new technology. AI, automation, the smart tool that does not need the lunch break, vacation, or even training. And the scary part, they are getting better every day. But here's where it gets interesting. After the initial panic, Jasmine did something unexpected. She did not look for another job, just like the old one. She did not try to patch her past. Instead, she started asking a different kind of question. What can I do that a machine cannot? It was not easy. She had doubts night when she started at the blank screen, wondering what came next. But step by step, she explored. She learned new tools, took online courses in design, thinking, and digital project management. She tapped into old interests she would long forgotten, writing, people skill, problem solving, and slowly she built something new. 1 year later, Jasmine was working as a freelancer, helping small businesses adapt to the same technology that one displaced her. Ironically, she was now teaching others how to work with AI, not to replace by it. She did not just bounce back, she transformed. This is not about her being special, it's about the moment she woke up. That split second of clarity sitting in her car when she realized the world she thought was stable was not, and it never really had been. You might not have had your moment yet, maybe things still feel okay for now, but the wind are shifting fast. The question is, will you be ready when it's your turn? Because sooner or later, we all get that knock. The real question is, when it comes, will you be caught off guard or already building something the world has not seen yet? That's what this journey is about, and it starts right here.